part of the project, I configured file sharing on the server to organize and control access to files across all departments. Okay, so I already created a shared folder for each department section. So each folder is set to read and write access only for its assigned users, and access is restricted so that users cannot open folders from other departments. So this ensures privacy and proper file organization. So now I will create the university public folder that allows all domain users to read and write files. So this is used for general file sharing across the organization. So to enforce file type control, I ensured that all folders except the computer engineering folder only contain Office documents such as Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and PDF files. So meanwhile, the information technology folder allows all files type except the executable files to prevent security risk. So I will assign all the departments for this setup in the file services management. So I already created an installer folder that contains application files, since this folder is restricted so that only the administrator has access, and it can prevent from the unauthorized installation of a software. So all the departments are accessible for the Office documents except the computer engineering, and for the information technology, I accept or I block the executable files for that department, same as the admin department. So I repeatedly do it in every department, so they are all have access for Office documents. So this file sharing setup is ensuring the secure access and the proper organization and the efficient file management across the network. configure the storage quota of 1 gigabyte for each folder to manage this usage and prevent the excessive storage consumption. So finally, I map the shared folders to each client workstation. For this XP, now I map the file sharing setup. So first, I configure the folder, the server name, and the folder name. So I copy the name of the server and the file name of documents. So once it's So as you can see, there are folders from the server. So I'm gonna say that this is the successful setup for file sharing. And for the Win7, I'm gonna try it. So first, the server name. The file name, and then enter the network password. So yeah, successful